Hello, friends. I'm here to inform you that on the 20th of June, there's a planet called Jupiter, the most massive planet, the auspicious planet, the planet which signifies wisdom, it signifies finances, it signifies preaching, teaching, your guru, your mentors. This particular planet, who is currently in Shatabisha Nakshatra, shall be going retrograde, which means a backward motion, heading again back to Capricorn on the 20th of June. Excuse me. It will go retrograde and shall remain in this position for 121 days. Jupiter, while retrograding, will enter back into Capricorn on the 14th of September 2021 and shall remain in that position unless it goes again stationary and then again direct, which is going to happen on the 18th of October 2021. Keeping this in mind, let's go further and find out what would be the effect of this retrogradation of Jupiter for each Lagna. At the beginning of the video, let me inform you that I shall be making this video in Hindi as well. You need to give me some time. The second thing is, in the description box down, please find out the time stamp so that you don't have to listen to the entire video and spare your time by just going and hitting the relevant Lagna or relevant moon sign that you belong to. So let's begin with this video from the first Lagna, Aries. Friends, for Aries, Jupiter rules the 9th and the 12th house and will be retrograding in the 11th house. Right? Now, let us look what happens while this retrogression is on. I see that 11th house, it all relates to income. It relates to your desire or fulfillment of desire. This movement of retrogression may slow down your income or you reaching your goals or your desires, and then it could be a little sluggish period. This is not the right period to make major investments or heavy money transactions. No speculation is recommended at this time at all. During this period, since Jupiter is going to influence your 5th house from the 11th house and even the 7th house of relationship, marriage, 5th house also of relationship, you need to be very patient. You need to just calm down and handle your relationship very wisely, because trouble could be there. Jupiter also shall be influencing with the 5th aspect, the 3rd house, which is of communication, and you need to be very careful about what you communicate, what you speak, what are your words. Is it relevant or is it hurting someone or is it spoiling documentation? All these things have to be checked. So, right communication is the mantra for you. You may go into a very reflective mood, which means that you will be contemplating, introspecting into your past decisions. Maintaining a healthy diet is must for you, okay? And lifestyle would have a major health issue. So see what you're eating. Make sure that it's not junk food. It's nothing that is harming you. Maintain a good diet, maintain a good regime, hit the gym if it permits, go for a walk, do meditation, or whatever is possible. So, friend, this was all for Aries. Now, let's look what is there in store for Taurus. Friends, for Taurus, as you know, Jupiter would be ruling the 8th house and the 11th house and is transiting in the 10th house. Keeping this in mind, and you know, 10th house is all about career, it's about name, fame. So there, I see that there would be a shift in your focus towards career. Maybe you want to change the job, or you want to change the profession, or you want to change your type of business, whatever it is. Okay. So, and good recognition in the company also is around the corner. So if you're giving your 100% to the company, to the business, wherever you are working, wait for some time, there is a favorable time for you. However, don't get carried away by your success. Don't boast about it. If you boast about it, then it could be a problem. And maintain patience during this retrogression time right up till 18th of October. Jupiter in the 10th house can mislead you or maybe misguide you and commit a mistake by overlooking things or changing your focus. You need to take care of that also. Do not over promise or commit anything. If you think you can, commit. If you think no, you cannot, or it's like, it's doubtful, then do not commit. Don't be impractical in committing any task, I would say. As retrograde Jupiter is even influencing the second house, being in the 10th house. So whatever you speak, make sure that you keep your words. And so both professional and your personal life or personal front, watch the words that you are saying or speaking out or giving a promise, whether you will be able to fulfill or not. Those who are planning to change the job should wait until this backward motion or retrogression motion is on, because by 18th of October both Saturn and Jupiter both will go direct, and that is, I've been telling you that it is not advisable to change the job during retrogression. Business people may stumble. Okay, you may just go a little here and there while making a decision. So when you're making a decision, make sure that you take the right decision. More attention is required now on the health front as well. So avoid eating outside food, junk food, and try to remain fit. Try to work on yourself. It doesn't take much, just half an hour to 45 minutes if you can give yourself, which I think one must have that quality time for yourself in the 24 hours. Okay, so this was all about Taurus. Let's talk about the next sign, Gemini. Gemini people, this particular retrogression, you must know that Jupiter is ruling your 7th house and the 10th house. Right? Now, we have to understand these are both Kendra house. And Jupiter, it's transiting in your 9th house. If you look at it, it's a very good position. But there is a catch. It is a house of fortune where Jupiter is going to go retrograde. Fine. So what will happen? Even though ninth house is a good placement for Jupiter, his turning retrograde in that house is not a good thing, not appreciated. So it would be difficult for you to receive the blessings of your gurus or of your mentors. Some misunderstanding may happen with your mentor, with your guru, and so you have to be careful. Gemini people are also, if you're expecting a visa, planning to go abroad, or an extension of visa if you are staying abroad, okay, in a foreign country, you may experience some delay in that documentation or in that process. You might be deported, or you may have to return back to the country because it is not happening. So this also is possible. People may get into Gemini. People may get into legal battle as if you are okay, then you may not succeed. So it is best that if you can deliberately postpone those matters to a later dates would be better, and avoid filing a new suit if you are planning to, like, take up some matter in the court. Wait, it is not advisable right now. Professionally, there would be some disturbance, I see, at workplace. Now you will be carried, like, you will get more new job opportunities, more responsibilities, and ultimately, uh, you know if you're not paying attention, if your focus is not there, okay, there's a possibility that you may even lose the job. If you're getting a new proposal, and just because you feel that the grass is greener on the other side, and you take up the job, maybe it's the pan to the fire position. Hang on, wait for some more time, okay. uh, Hence, you should be patient. It is required right now, and make decision wisely, otherwise difficulty would be there. Do not let your ego block you from enjoying your good relationship. There's nothing wrong in relationship, but your ego could cause a little hurdle. Health concerns are likely. We have to understand that currently in the 8th house there is a retrograde Saturn as well. Chest conjunction, water related issues may also disturb you. So this was all for Gemini. The next sign is Cancer. For Cancer people, Jupiter rules your 6th and your 10th house. Now, and Jupiter is going retrograde or transiting in your 8th house. So Cancer people, what does it mean? Unexpected events or changes may occur. It could be good, it could be bad. It is a time to be more careful while planning anything, and keep the expenditure in control. Or if you're planning on those lines, keep yourself into that budget. You will try your best to get the pending ancestral property, if there is a property that is coming your way. Finances may be challenging. Some wrong investments from your side can push you into great loss. Be aware. There are chances of a long awaited desire that you have been longing for a very, very, very long time. Now, it will come to you unexpectedly. That means you never dreamt of it, you never apprehended, and it will land. So, this is a good thing. Your hard work will now fetch you recognition and eligible perks that you deserve. You would have many interaction with your co-staff or your colleagues, okay, and you will get a chance to train them. That means you will be recognized and you will be given entrusted with the responsibility of training them, looking at your you know your caliber. Do not enter into any gossip, backbiting, saying anything, okay, because that may backfire on you. It will boomerang on you. Be aware of falls, fractures, leg injuries. Avoid lack of sleep. Please take good sleep. 7 to 8 hours of sleep is required. Fatty food not recommended, and ultimately or untimingly eating food, like eating at odd hours, late night, or not keeping that regime of when to eat, what to eat, would cause a little problem, because that would cause too much of gastric problems. Mental stress and anxiety need to be handled well. This is for the people Cancerian. Next sign is Leo. Leo people, Jupiter, which is going retrograde, is the ruler of your 5th house and your 8th house. It will be transiting in your 7th house of relationship and partnership, business partnership as well. Money matter in general may trip you up. That means be very cautious with your money. Stay away from stock trading or speculative, whatever you do, activities like share market and all. So you may not lose everything. Lending or borrowing of money or material can lead to misunderstanding and you may unnecessarily get into trouble. For people who are into business, any sort of business, no expansion of business should be done or recommended now during this period. Keep a low profile now. During this period, confidence will nourish your mind. That's a good thing. And balance your mental energy as well. There will be a possibility of happiness from maybe a good news from your wife that she has conceived, or maybe there's a birth of a child. That is possible. You will be respected in your circle, in your social circle, okay, and even with your relatives also. They will appreciate you. You will have name, fame, and your progress would be seen. Social get together and meeting will keep you happy and ongoing. Romantic breakups are possible. Breakup or failure, whatever you may say, okay, is likely due to some ego clashes. Again, ego is the problem over here. Handle the loved ones very, very carefully. So, most of the things are lost in life when your ego is too high. So this was all about for Leon, and next sign is Virgo. Virgo, Jupiter rules your 4th and the 7th house. Both are the Kendra houses, and it will be transiting in your 6th house. Now, 6th house is a house of ailment, diseases, enemies, loans, debts, all those things. Your finances, debts may be decline, okay, and come to a closure. That's a good sign, okay. Profit through family is indicated. So if ancestor property is coming your way, or some family was supposed to help you out in some, those things are happening for you. Your sibling, okay, that means your brother, sister, will enjoy financial prosperity. So if they are looking for something, you will see that they are progressing. You will spend more money on charitable and religious causes. You may plan to buy a new house or a new car. All investments on your lands or any other property now will give you good returns. So if those things were like, you had purchased long back, some dispute with business partner is likely. Professionals can see good growth. If you are into any profession, you will see a growth. However, some situation at work may make you little insecure. Maybe you feel that I'm not getting that recognition, or like I'm due for a promotion and I'm not being promoted. The other person is being promoted, so that insecurity will come into you. Relationship will turn out a little sour. You have to be careful about this. Your happiness may go for a toss. Quarrels with relatives is possible. Okay, so try that there's no bitterness in relationship. Health needs attention. Yes, there will be minor issues, but and that can overcome by your strong immunity. If you maintain that immunity, things are better for you. Next sign we shall be talking about is Libra. Libra. For Librans, you have to understand that Jupiter rules your third and the sixth house and will transit into your fifth house. Fifth house of love, romance, children. Okay, and it is going retrograde. So it will be impacting definitely your children, your romance, your investment, speculation, share market, education, sports as well, and stock market. I think I have already said stock market. Infatuation is likely in matter of heart and would lead to disappointment. Now, spending quality time with your children, especially, okay, is the need of the hour. Do not use any negative words in front of your children, which may demoralize them. And in conversation, also be very kind and be very compassionate. In profession, just weed out or remove all the negative patterns that you have been following, and what was stopping you from being productive and progressive. You may go out of focus very often, and then during this period, so clear out all your doubts, and you should try to maintain that focus, and you have to work a little hard, even if it is a little more tiring for you, because that is the need of the hour. And have faith, all would be fine. Money is not a challenging issue in this period. Do not enter into any speculation, but do not stand surety to others. Like don't go and be a guarantor, or like when you go to the sign an indemnity or a bail or something like that. Do not take surety for anyone, because that may boomerang on you. Health would be moderate. Overeating may cause you a little problem, or you may put on some weight. Watch your eating habits. Problems in the leg could bother you for a short period of time, but it will bother you. This was all about Librans. Next is Scorpio. For Scorpio, Jupiter rules your second and the fifth house and will transit into the fourth house, which signifies mother, comfort, luxury, vehicle, and family, domestic happiness as well. Money is average, income and expenses will go hand at par. So money is coming in, money is going out. Losses and expenses are unavoidable, so the little bit of losses would be there that you cannot control. This can pull you down on your savings. Fine, that's okay. We'll save it a little later. Keep a check on your spending habits. Your pride and your ego can be very high, and which may ruin your relationship. Maybe with the loved ones, dear ones, relatives, friends. In career, you may see progress. This might make your colleagues very jealous. They will envy you because of your progress and say bad things about you. That happens everywhere. Office politics is very, very common nowadays. Do not let this disturb you. Just keep them away, whatever they say. Business people may get an opportunity to expand and get into a new business as well. Be very prudent while making decisions. So be very wise while making decisions. Health is moderate. Unwanted stress can pull you down or can push you into depression. That is your, when you know that your depression is not going to make things happen, so it is best that you can just be positive. Stay healthy in your mind. That's very important. Physical, okay, but mind has to be very healthy. Do meditation and chanting of mantras. If you know some mantras, keep your mind at peace. This was all about Scorpio. The next sign is Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, it is the first, Jupiter rules the first house and the fourth house, and now it is transiting from the third house, which indicates your sibling, brother, sister, younger, whatever it is, neighbors, communication, meeting, short distance travels, and learning. You may get a little aggressive and bit hostile, which may cause as a downfall for you. So don't do that. Having patience and staying cool can help you to sail through this period very smoothly. Money matter is not very promising, though. You may be spending more than what you have planned for. Watch for your expenses. Control your expenses. Control it, because now the malls are also going to open. So be careful. At work, you may not be very happy, not focused. Most of your efforts will not bring the desired results. You may need to redo your work or duplicate them very often. You may be pessimist in whatever you do. Stay cool and calm. Don't be pessimist, be optimistic. Marriage and romance is not, or rather is going for a toss for you. Ego clashes, conflicts can pose difficulty in relationship. Health needs to be, may be more careful about and pay attention in this period. You may feel tired physically, mentally, both. The lower part of your body can cause some troubles also. Follow your routine diet and exercise and stay fit. This was all about Sagittarius. The next sign is Capricorn. Capricorn. Undergoing Sadhasati. Last phase is on for you. Jupiter rules your 12th house and the 3rd house and is sitting in the 2nd house, which signifies communication. It signifies your money, family values. It talks about your voice. It talks about your speech, your security in life, and close friends as well. Now, sudden expenses may bring financial imbalance in your life in this period. Any investment done now needs to be taken care of, utmost care of. Dispute with sibling or relatives over the money transactions are possible. So avoid any kind of argument and transaction in this period. Verbal talks with neighbors can spoil your relationship with them. Keep distance from your neighbors and maintain harmony. Career is not very promising unless you display out of the box thinking. It will be difficult for you to progress with your work now. Unwanted travel will pull your energy down. Be careful in your communication, both verbal, written, to avoid any confusion around you. Health-wise, it is going to be all right. Period is fine with you. But family member issues, health issues may cause worry and expenses too. This was all for Capricorn. The next sign is Aquarius. Aquarius people, you have just entered into Saraswati period on the 24th of January 2020. Now, Jupiter rules your 11th house and your 2nd house. Both are very good houses. Okay. And it will be transiting in your 1st house, even more better, which indicates your identity, which indicates your health, which indicates the way you deal with the world and gather information. You have that thirst, that hunger for knowledge now. Jupiter is the planet of knowledge. His presence in the 1st house will bring you or help you to gather more knowledge that you were seeking for a long time. However, Jupiter transiting and being in the retrograde movement, this will bring you self-doubt, which is wrong. You shouldn't. self-doubt, and will not allow you to understand things easily. So go slow. There may be delays in luck and fortune. Money fortune is not promising either. You may get carried away and make wrong investment, leading to some losses. So please understand when you make investments. Give more attention to your special loved ones. Spending quality time with your loved ones will increase your bonding with them and make this transit a very special one. Focus on fitness is very important during this retrograde period, as you may put on a few pound of weight here and there because of emotional eating. That means because you're very emotional, you keep on eating, and laziness. So just don't be in the couch, get up. Family members' health also could bring some challenging phases in your life. This was all for Aquarius. The last zodiac sign we shall be talking about is Pisces. For Pisces people, Jupiter rules your first and the 10th house. Again, both the houses are good and will be remaining in your 12th house. That's a bad situation here, which indicates isolation, jail, imprisonment, hospitalization, research, sexual pleasure. Jupiter in the 12th would help you to attain higher wisdom. Okay. You may face problem in your personal life. However, being calm and meditative will help you to handle the situation much better. Money should be handled with utmost care. There are losses indicated during the retrogression period of Jupiter, and you may make some rash decision in finances. No borrowing recommended. Don't take money from anyone, not even a loan. Some medical expenses can pull you or pull your savings down. Sorry, I got a very bad throat. Don't doubt me. In career, you will feel facing a lot of stress and tension that can make you commit errors in your work. Your hard work will finally be appreciated, so stay focused. Love and romance is disappointing. That's a sad story. Do not take up any proposal for marriage if it's coming now. Try to keep it on the back burner. Health is a little challenging at this time, and health is bad because of the stress that you're taking. You will feel low in energy and will lack interest in maintaining your fitness. While walking, take care of your ankle. You may twist your ankle, and that could cause a little worry. So, this was all about all the 12 signs, right from Aries to Pisces, pertaining to the retrogression motion of Jupiter from the 20th of June. The same version I shall be making it tomorrow in Hindi for those who understands Hindi better. Fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't be lazy. Jupiter is still not gone retrograde. It's still time. Thank you.